What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? It's Tickers here, back with another video. In today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about two dividend stocks that I'm looking at. So for our first one on the list, we got Ally Financial, ticker ALLY, guys. So if you don't know anything about this, this is a finance stock. This is a you can call it a banking stock, if you will. But, they do a lot of loans and leases. They offer term loans to dealers, financing, dealer floor plans, other lines of credit to dealers, warehouse lines to companies, fleet financing. This provide financing to companies, municipalities for the purchase and lease of vehicles and equipment, vehicle or marketing services. Insurance operations segment focuses on finance protection, insurance products sold primarily through the automotive dealer channel, and commercial insurance products sold directly to dealers. So this thing, they got their toes in all kind of like insurances and loans and all this kind of stuff, man. If you want to take a look, the company's been around since 1919 as well. I'd like to point that out just because this company has been around a good long time. It's not going nowhere. They shouldn't go anywhere anyway. Wouldn't expect it to. The biggest thing that's got me for this stock is that the price to earnings is 4. This thing is trading for 4.7 times earnings. So as a I like to think of it like this: if you give them $4.73, they'll give you $1 back. And if you look at any other stock, like Apple, you got Apple on the screen right there, trading for like what, 20 almost. You got everybody's favorite stock, Tesla, man. It trades for up there close to 60, 70. Hell, the last year or so has been trading up there close to 100 PE. So this thing's at least 10 times cheaper than Tesla. You look at it like that, and it's got a very, very attractive dividend. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? The dividend, right? That's what this video is about. There you go. Look at that, 4.4%, man, yearly. That's pretty good. Pay you $1.20 per share. That's about 4% roughly. Yeah. Got an analyst rating it as a hold or a buy. That's what you like to see with dividend stocks. Got a 22% upside. That's so you, like I said, you're getting it cheap. They don't show you on public, but this thing is trading for a book value of like 0.7. So this thing's actually undervalued. This is a undervalued stock. It is trading for 7/10 of what its actual assets are worth. I mean, so this thing has a good 30-40% upside just to get to fair value, never mind being overvalued. So just that alone is just wow. And it's a small cap. If you look, it's $8 billion. So this thing is easy, has potential to grow to 10, 20, 30, 40 billion years down the road. And we'll have to wait and see how it goes. But just know this stock does have potential to grow because it is a small cap. But even if it stays in that same small cap range, man, you can still do really well with this stock. Like I said, it's trading very cheap, and I mean that's a dividend is hard to argue with. 4.4%, man. I mean, come on now, come on, you can't beat that. The other one I really really like. This is one of just about everybody's favorite dividend stock is Realty Income Corp, ticker O. It's just O on the stock market, ticker O. Right now it's trading for about $64, 64.74. It's got a market cap of 40 billion, so it's quite a bit larger than Ally. Trades a lot richer, trades in that 60 PE. So think of it as almost like Tesla. But you can see it's actually returned very well over the past like 5 years or so. I mean, it almost got a 50% return in 5 years. And again, not past performance isn't future performance, but that's if you can get half that, that's still pretty decent, man. And again, this is a dividend stock, so let's take a look at the dividend. Theirs is 4.5. So and the biggest thing that catches a lot of people for Realty Income is one of my favorite things. They pay you monthly cash dividends, guys. So this stock will pay you every single month you hold it. Every single month they give you a little piece of this total. This 4% adds up to a 4.5% in the year. So you cut this number by 12, and that's how much they pay you every single month. So that's pretty good. I like that. Again, it trades a little rich for me. I still like it. It's just a REIT. REITs, real estate investment trust, they always trade pretty rich. So you can compare it to the rest of them in the market. And you can see that it does trade rich even for the rest of the REITs, real estate investment trusts. So something to keep in mind. And this thing is very expensive stock. Again, like you see, most people are saying either buy it or hold it. Nobody's telling you to sell this thing. So if nothing else, at least pick it up just to hold it. But you got to be willing to hold a stock like this for a couple years, a couple decades, even if you're willing, if you got that time scale on your hands. But they're expecting a 6% upside on this stock, so get a little bit of growth on it along with your dividend. That's not never bad to see. And I believe these price targets, by the way, are for 12 months out. So if you hold a stock longer than that, you could probably expect it to do better than that. Just throwing that out there. As long as, God forbid, no more black swan events like we had 2 years ago. I'm not gonna say the name on YouTube. You already know what the black swan event is if you know what black swans are. But this is just it's a fantastic stock. It's just consistently grow their dividend year over year. That's another thing too. This is a dividend aristocrat, if I'm not mistaken. They've raised their dividend like for 26 consecutive quarters, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. I forget the actual number, but they've for like almost like a decade now. They've just raised their dividend every single quarter, and that's very impressive. Even ever since like '08, I think they've raised their dividend. So pretty good company, very fantastic company, consistent revenue. Their business model makes a lot of sense. It's very consistent, very predictable. It's just a portfolio anchor, if you want to be honest about it. This thing will just anchor your portfolio and just bring you a steady cash flow. And that's who doesn't want that, right? Well, it's hard to argue with that. So yeah, guys, that's just the short and sweet of it. Just bringing you two dividend stocks that I'm keeping my eyes on. This I'm going to be averaging a lot into these positions here soon. I'm more of a growth investor, but these are just two really good dividend stocks that I think everybody should keep their eye on. And let me know in the comments, guys, if you got your own dividend stocks that you really like. And I will meet you guys down there in the comments, and we can discuss it. Until then, guys, I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.